Most scramblers want you to buy a bag full of tools before you can even adjust the motorcycle. The Bear 650, Royal Enfield has already hidden almost everything you need right here. So before you spend money on accessories, let's see how much of this motorcycle you can actually set up yourself. Today, we're working on the Royal Enfield Bear 650. One thing we really like about this motorcycle is that it comes with a surprisingly comprehensive stock toolkit. It's stored right behind the right side panel and includes a 6, 5 and 4mm Allen key, a 10-12mm open spanner, 12-16mm spanners, a 24mm spanner, C-spanner and extender, front wheel axle Allen key, screwdriver, a spark plug box spanner which also has an 8mm on one side. There's also this tiny plastic clip in the toolkit. If you know what it's for, let us know in the comments. And with just these tools, you can already make the motorcycle fit you a lot better. The handlebar is always the first point of contact between you and the motorcycle. Using the 6mm Allen key from the stock toolkit, loosen the handlebar clamp bolts and adjust the bar position. A good place to start is by aligning the angle of the handlebar with the angle of the front forks. If the bars feel too close, rotate them slightly forward. If it feels like you're reaching for them, rotate them towards you. Remember to tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern. When the handlebar angle is aligned to the front forks angle, it works with your natural riding position. Bumps are absorbed better, there's less strain on your wrists, and the motorcycle simply feels more predictable to ride. Next to the controls you use hundreds of times during every ride. You will need an 8mm spanner for this, which is part of the spark plug box spanner. Adjust the clutch and front brake levers so you can comfortably operate them with 2 fingers. If the levers sit too high or too low, you end up bending your wrists, which affects both comfort and control. It's a small adjustment, but on a long ride, you'll definitely notice the difference. And once the handlebar and levers are set, check your mirrors. Your riding position has changed, so use the 12 and 16mm spanners to adjust them for a clear view behind you. Now, let's move down to the foot control levers. Using the 10mm spanner, loosen the lock nut and rotate the adjustment rod to move the gear lever up or down. Set it according to your riding boots and riding style. Adventure boots, for example, usually need a little more room. For the rear brake pedal, you'll need a 13mm spanner and it is on the C-spanner. Loosen the lock nut, rotate the adjustment rod and set the brake pedal height to suit your foot position. Just like the gear lever, the correct position gives you better control and helps movement while riding. One thing we've consistently heard from Bear 650 owners is that the rear suspension feels too stiff. Before you start looking for aftermarket solutions, check the preload setting. Check to see if it is in its softest setting. If not, use the supplied C-spanner and back it off and see how the motorcycle feels. And if you're one of those riders who carries luggage or prefers a much more stiffer, firmer setup, now you also know how to make it stiffer. It's a simple adjustment, but it can completely change how the motorcycle feels. These are small changes, but they help make the motorcycle feel like it's actually yours. And if you've just started your DIY journey and want to take it a step further, the stock toolkit can do more than you think. You can use the 6mm Allen key, the front wheel axle Allen key, the 24mm spanner with the extender to remove the front wheel. Or use the 24mm spanner and the 6mm Allen key and learn to adjust your chain slack. The more comfortable you become working on your own motorcycle, the more confident you'll be when something needs attention on a ride. Stock sense isn't about modifying your motorcycle. It's about understanding what you already own and making it work better for you. If you have a Bear 650, try these adjustments and let us know what difference they made. And tell us in the comments which motorcycle we should do next.